The flashing red light on your EETV box is not just a random indicator. It's actually a sophisticated communication system that tells you exactly what's wrong with your device. This is what your EETV box looks like. Notice the small indicator lights on the front panel. When something goes wrong, one of these lights will turn red and start flashing in a specific pattern. Different flashing patterns mean different things. Understanding these patterns is the key to knowing what's wrong and how urgent the problem is. A slow flash, 1 to 2 seconds, indicates network connectivity issues. Your box can't connect to the internet properly. A rapid flash, 0.5 seconds, indicates software firmware corruption. The box's software needs to be fixed or updated. An intermittent flash indicates overheating or ventilation problems. The box is getting too hot and needs better airflow. A solid red light that doesn't flash is usually the most serious. This indicates power issues, boot failure, or a critical hardware error that may require professional attention. Your EETV box connects to your network and power through various cables at the back. Understanding these connections helps you identify whether the red light issue is related to power or network connectivity. Now you understand what your EETV box is trying to tell you through its red light patterns. Whether it's a slow flash for network issues, rapid flash for software problems, intermittent flash for overheating, or solid red for hardware failure, each pattern gives you valuable information about what needs attention. When your EETV box shows a flashing red light, the first and most effective solution is power cycling. This simple process resolves many common issues by allowing the system to restart completely. Unplug your EETV box from the power outlet and wait exactly 30 seconds. This waiting period is crucial as it allows all internal capacitors to discharge completely, ensuring a full system reset. After 30 seconds, plug the box back in and press the power button. The system will go through its boot sequence, and in most cases, this resolves the red light issue completely. If power cycling doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to check all cable connections. Loose or damaged cables are a common cause of connectivity problems that trigger the red light. Examine the Ethernet cable connection, HDMI cable, and power cable. Ensure each connection is firmly seated in its port. Look for any visible damage to the cables, such as kinks, cuts, or bent connectors. Pay special attention to the Ethernet connection, as network connectivity issues are often the cause of flashing red lights. A secure, undamaged Ethernet connection is essential for proper operation. Overheating is another common cause of red light issues. Modern EETV boxes generate significant heat during operation, especially when processing 4K content or running multiple applications. Ensure your EETV box has at least 6 inches of clearance on all sides. Remove any objects blocking the ventilation vents and avoid placing the box in enclosed cabinets or on soft surfaces that can block airflow. Network connectivity problems are responsible for 20% of red light issues. Testing your internet connection helps determine if the problem is with your EETV box or your broadband service. Check if other devices in your home can connect to the internet normally. If they cannot, the issue is with your broadband connection, not the EETV box. Contact your internet service provider if this is the case. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the red light, a factory reset may be necessary. This process restores the EETV box to its original settings and can fix software-related issues. Locate the reset button on your EETV box, usually found on the back or bottom of the device. Hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds while the box is powered on. The box will restart and return to factory settings. For persistent issues, EE offers advanced remote diagnostic tools. These can identify firmware corruption and deploy emergency patches automatically. EE's customer support can access these tools remotely to diagnose your specific problem. If none of these troubleshooting steps resolve the red light issue, contact EE customer support. Persistent red lights often indicate hardware problems that require professional diagnosis or device replacement by a qualified engineer.